As a rap artist, Timberland's my favorite rapper, making hits with it, and I'm nodding my head to it. That's what I've been up to. Yeah, homie, I'm saying it in my raps. Everything loud and clear. Hey yo, Timberland is the man of the year. Every year. Yeah, he rap. That's all I listen to, the verses like that. Hey yo, Timberland verses, it's a classic. One of a kind. Yeah, I can listen to it. I can listen to the whole thing. Hey yo, I ain't bullshitting. No way. I hope he hear what I gotta say. I'm feeling the style. Cause he got tons of profiles. Hey yo, since then, I kept on listening to all his raps and his confessions. I get it in.